Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we will talk about a website like the app. It's called nomoreplatform.com. So where you can earn money, as a professional PowerPoint designer. So you just have to give information here, just like how many hours of working you will be doing, and the level, like it's a $8 or $10 per hour. Okay, so okay, and another thing is like how many projects you will be completing each day, or each month. Like it's all about focusing, if you're good at the designing and doing PowerPoint thing. So it's all about focusing on the project managers to handle the clients, no contact with the clients, feedback important, no pitching in fix also, no more differs. When I go to the Google and check if it's a legit website, so you can get some information on it as well. So it's actually a trusted online talent platform that empowers freelancers to work on the project that fit their skills. So it's all about the skills, like how much does they pay us, around like business specialist, this is their salaries. And it's in peak, it's in Indian rupees, but around like 1,000 dollars into $1,500. You can earn that much. So they have the Instagram page as well, they have the YouTube page as well. All you have to do is just go and sign up on this page, and just on with the profit. It's like I'm signing up here, and once I visit their Instagram website. So yeah, I can say like they have a good number of followers, and seems legit, the company. And yeah, this is, yeah, you need to enter your email, your password, and confirm. Then and only you can register for this, you can say the website. And let's go back and check use information, the work. Here you will get information regarding the work. They have the clients across the globe, where mostly in business, they need the business clients definitely. So yeah, you'll get all the information here, like how the works, the stories, practices. And they are located, yeah, like somewhere in Germany. They have three, so it could be said, it's a legit website. So once you have go log in, you'll start getting the projects, and earn a good amount of money. Yep. So I would suggest to all the people that if you want to earn some like good amount of money, so that this is the platform you can go on, and do subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much, guys. Hey guys,